Hello everyone. Through this video, we are going to discuss the questions of exercise 2.3. In my previous videos, we had already discussed the questions of exercise 2.1, then 2.2, then after first 3 questions of exercise 2.3. In my last video, I had already discussed the first 3 sums of exercise 2.3. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 4, 5 and 6 of this exercise 2.3. So here we start with question number 4. So in question number 4, what is given? The equation is 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. The question is solve the following equations and check your results. So we have to solve this equation and find out value of the unknown variable, that is z here, and then we have to verify LHS and RHS of this equation for this evaluated value, for value of z. So while solving, let's put implied sign first. We have to shift twice z to the opposite side. Since the side is changed, actually initially it was positive, twice z was positive on the right hand side. When it is shifted to the opposite side, its sign will get changed and it will turn negative. So 4z minus 2z plus 3. This plus 3 was initially present on the left hand side, and in the right hand side only 6 is remaining. After that, this constant term again we have to shift to the opposite side, and on this side what is left? 4z minus 2z, it is only 2z, that is equal to 6 minus 3. When 3 is shifted to the opposite side, it becomes minus 3. After that, we are getting 2z is equal to 3. Now we have to remove 2 from z, and for that both the sides are to be divided by 2. So dividing both the sides by 2, we are getting z is equal to 3 by 2. So z is equals to 3 by 2 here. This is the solution of this equation with one variable. Now let us move on to the verification part. So in the verification part, we of course have to start with the LHS. So starting with the LHS is 4z plus 3. Yes or no? So in place of z, we have to put the value 3 by 2. So z into 4 into, in place of z we can put 3 by 2 plus 3. So these two terms will be getting cancelled. Result will be 2 here. So 3 2 just 6 I got here, plus 3. The result will become 9. Coming to the right hand side, we have 6 plus 2z is equal to 6 plus 2 into, in place of z we are putting the value 3 by 2 again. So 2 got cancelled. We got here 6 plus 3. The result comes as 9. So when I check both LHS and RHS for this value of z, I am getting the same result 9 on both the sides of this expression. So the conclusion that we can draw here is LHS equals to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. And the required solution is z equals to 3 by 2. Now let us proceed to the next question. So the next equation given is, this is question number 5. The equation given is twice x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So like the previous sums, here also we have to shift this minus x to the opposite side. So I shall get here twice x. Since this term was negative on this side, x was negative on the other side. When it is shifted to the opposite side, it will turn positive. Plus x it will be. That means when you will shift minus x to this opposite side, it will turn positive. That is equal to 14. Now at the same step we can do one more thing. This minus 1 can be shifted to the opposite side. When minus 1 is shifted to the opposite side, it will turn positive and will be added with 14. I am getting here twice x plus x. The result comes as 3. That is equal to 14 plus 1. Result comes as 15. After that, we have to remove 3 from this side. How can we do that? Twice x divided by 3. I mean both the sides are to be divided by 3. While dividing both the sides by 3, I am getting 3 getting cancelled, and on this side I am getting the result to be 5. This implies x is equal to 5. So 5 is the solution here. 5 is the result for the value of the variable. Then proceeding to the verification part. In the verification part, the LHS is twice x minus 1. Am I right? This was the LHS. So twice x minus 1. In place of x, what do I have to do? Value of x. The value which is already found out, we have to put it here. Minus 1. The result will come as 5 to the 10. Minus 1. The result will come as 9. While coming to the right hand side, I am getting the expression to be 14 minus x. So this is the result, 14 minus x. So 14 minus, in place of x, what can we put? It is 5. The result will come as 9. 14 minus 5, the result comes as 9. So LHS, again we are getting here LHS equals to RHS because both the sides are equal. So the conclusion drawn here is LHS equals to RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. And the required solution is this one, x equals to 5. Then moving on to the next question. The next question is, the next equation given is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So first of all, these brackets are to be opened. So let us check. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x. The result will be thrice x. Minus sign is there in between. We have to put minus here. Then 3 will be again getting multiplied with 1. So 3 1s are 3 plus 7 I got. So after this I shall be getting 8x plus 4 is equal to thrice x plus 7 minus 3. The result will come as 4, and the bigger term is carrying positive sign. That is why the operation will be subtraction, but sign will remain positive. After that, 8x, this term will come to this side, means it will be minus thrice x, because in this side it was positive. When it is shifted to the opposite side, it will turn negative. At the same time, 4 was initially there. This 4, when shifted to the opposite side, it will be minus 4, because this was plus here. When shifted to the opposite side, it will turn minus. So I get here 5x is equal to 4 minus 4, it will be 0. Now for getting value of x, we have to divide both the sides by 5. And I get the value 0 by 5. 5 got cancelled. X is equal to 0. So this is the value While doing the verification part, on the verification part, let's start with the LHS. LHS equals to 8x plus 4. In place of x, you will be putting 0 plus 4. Result will come as 0 plus 4. Answer will be 4. While on the right hand side, the same thing should be carried out. 3x minus 1 plus 7 was there. So 3 in place of x, you will be putting 0 minus 1 plus 7. So ultimately 3 into minus 1 plus 7. The result will come as minus 3 plus 7. And this will give you result 4. So if you check from both the sides, I am getting the value 4. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. So verified. Hence verified. And this is the solution. So in my next video, we are going to discuss the remaining questions of this exercise only, exercise 2.3. Thank you.